make a little short video on what I'm doing. Wiring up these elements right here. I had to replace this bottom one, so I unhooked all of this. This is still unhooked because it goes, it's control panel. See those two wires, they're gonna hook to there. We got the whole top section right here set off. And we had to replace this element. Right here. See how those brick are broke off on the bottom? You can tell right in there where they start breaking. Right there. This element fell out and dripped way down here. It came out right there and it dripped way down here. Well, I took my hands and I scrunched it back together. And I'll show you what this element looked like. See this? I got my headlight on, it's making problems. But you see how squiggled it looks? This is where I scrunched it all back together where it stretched out. The rest of it looks pretty good. But when I got it out, it came in two. And I kept testing it, I couldn't test the problem, but when I wiggled it just a little bit, it broke right there. That was the weak place in it. What it was doing is I replaced a relay here. Let me get my light where I can see inside of here. This right here, there's a slight melted spot on the top of this now because the new one that I put in there, it got hot and shorted out too, and done the same thing the other element was doing. So I don't think, the other relay was doing, so I don't think it was a relay. So what I'm fixing to do is fixing to mount this box back on here. And then we're gonna hook everything up, set that part back on here. It simply plugs up. Has a plug there, it plugs into that plug right here. And then we're gonna run this bad boy tonight. We've got a lot of pottery we've got to get cooked. Just making a short video on what we're doing.